what better to start with but bruschetta? So let's get to it. I've toasted the bread. It's a baguette that I just cut in small little increments. I have 2 red tomatoes. I have wild trees, scampi blend and garlic and herb blend. And I'm adding that in. And then my real favorite, Wild Trees roasted garlic grapeseed oil. A couple teaspoons of that. We mix that all up. And voila, look at our serving. Now we can spoon it out. Taking forever to do this dish. Remember, you're struggling in the kitchen all day, no matter what your guests say. Now I need to share a secret. If you watched any of my other segments, like the halibut, you will notice a real similarity to the ingredients and exactly how much I used. So the only thing different is you put it on fish instead of on bread. You can also do it for chicken, real good there, or just about anything that you want. Put it on pasta, on rice, just add a little bit more oil to it. And voila, bon appetit, a glass of wine, and we're good to go. See ya.